When it comes to dividend investing, there is this idea that you have to have a massive portfolio to actually make any worthwhile dividends. You have to have a portfolio in the hundreds of thousands to get any money at all from it to actually call an income. And although this is kind of true, there is this other side of it where you don't really see people sharing their dividend portfolio when it's quite small and in those early stages of growth. And I am kind of in that stage right now. I've got a really small portfolio that I'm going to grow over time and hopefully get to the point one day where I can say I can live or at least pay some things each month off using only the dividends that I've been paid from my portfolio. I've said many times before, I'd love to get to the point where I could maybe pay my rent or my mortgage payments off using dividends each month. Theoretically, because realistically, I'm not actually planning to take money out of my dividend account and actually use it for that. But in theory, if you know what I mean, like I would have the amount that I could do that should I need to, should I want to. And eventually when I come to retire, then I'll think about actually withdrawing from my dividend portfolio. Anyway, when you look at portfolios online, you often see only the ones that are really, really big. And then of course, they're able to share with you how much they earn each month. And it's an amazing, amazing amount. It's a really big amount that you can probably think, do you know what? I could actually probably live on that should I need to, should I want to. And although that's not the stage I'm at right now, I did think it would be interesting to show you exactly how much money I got paid last month, so in the month of September, from my dividend portfolio. My dividend portfolio is currently sitting at £2,458.25. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump over to my dividend tracker now to see exactly how much that amount of money paid me in the month of September. There is a link in the description below to this tracker if you're interested. So you can see here that firstly, in the month of September, I was paid £17.61p in dividends. So £17.61p is what I got in dividends from a portfolio worth £2,458.25. And you can see that September has been the best month that I've had so far. Every single month that I have been paid a dividend, I know it's only 3 months, they have increased. So it's going on the right trend, and I hope just over time this continues to grow. Of course, some months naturally will be lower just by the companies that are paying me in those given months. But if I can carry on generating more and more dividend income as time goes on, I'll be in a good position. And then I've got this section down here that shows me exactly which companies paid me per month and how much they paid me. So in September, you can see that I got £3.88 from VUSA, 44 pence from Trig, £3.63 from Unilever, a whopping £8.87 from Rio Tinto. I know I say whopping, and for most people that's not a lot, but that is the best dividend that I've got so far, and 79p from HSBC. Let me know how big your portfolio is and how much it pays you on average per month in the comments below. And if you're interested in watching my dividend growth journey, then please remember to subscribe. See you in the next video.